What are chips? Chips, also known as integrated circuits, ICs, are small electronic devices made from semiconductor materials that contain a set of electronic circuits. They are fundamental components in modern electronics, found in everything from computers to smartphones and appliances. How chips are prepared. 1. Design phase, specification, define the functionality, performance, and power requirements. Schematic design, create a detailed circuit layout using software tools. Simulation, test the design virtually to ensure it meets specifications. 2. Fabrication process, wafer production, silicon wafers are created from purified silicon. Photolithography, light-sensitive materials are used to project circuit patterns onto the wafer. Etching, unwanted silicon is removed, leaving behind the desired patterns. Doping, introducing impurities to modify the electrical properties of silicon. Layering, multiple layers of materials are deposited to build complex circuits. Testing, wafers are tested for functionality before cutting into individual chips. 3. Packaging, cutting, the wafer is sliced into individual chips. Mounting, chips are attached to substrates with connections to external circuits. Encapsulation, protecting chips from physical damage and environmental factors. How chips work. Chips operate by controlling electrical signals to perform various tasks. 1. Logic operations, process binary data using logic gates, and, or, not. 2. Memory storage, store data temporarily, RAM, or permanently, ROM. 3. Input-output control, manage data exchange between the chip and external devices. 4. Signal processing, manipulate signals for applications like audio and video processing. Technologies used in chip production. 1. Semiconductor technology, utilizes materials like silicon and gallium nitride for chip fabrication. 2. Design automation, software tools for electronic design automation, EDA, streamline the design and testing processes. 3. 3D integration, stacking multiple chips vertically to enhance performance and reduce space. 4. System on chip, SoC, integrates all components of a computer or other electronic system onto a single chip. Leading countries in chip production. 1. United States, home to major companies like Intel, Nvidia, and AMD. Advanced research and development in chip technologies. 2. Taiwan, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, is a global leader in semiconductor manufacturing. 3. South Korea, Samsung and SK Hynix are major players, particularly in memory chips. 4. China, rapidly growing sector with companies like SMIC, focusing on self-sufficiency in chip production. 5. Japan, strong in semiconductor materials and equipment manufacturing. Summary chips are vital components in modern electronics, created through intricate design and fabrication processes. They perform essential tasks in computing, memory storage, and signal processing. Leading countries in chip production include the US, Taiwan, South Korea, China, and Japan, each contributing significantly to the global semiconductor industry.